Saturday, May 29th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Something simple today. I'll come over to this side of the house. I already have some things set up. And I'll take off a layer of mulch. Just get all the bad and old stuff. Well, not all of it, a lot of it. Not even a half inch. I'll get it up, then I'll come over here to the front of the house. And I'll get some of this stuff up too. Hang tight. I think it'll be best to start here and just work my way down to the end. I raked up a bunch of small piles. A lot of this stuff was bad, but I'm getting there. I'm almost done with this side. It's a lot more work than I thought, but it's looking good. Got the hard part out the way. Now I'm on to the next phase. I cleaned this side up a bit last week, so there's not much to do over here. Here's my water cup again. See, over an inch of rain, no need to water. You gotta get one of these, guys. All right, I got up all that I could. Now it's time to lay down some mulch. Since I have my mulch stored in this area, I'll take some bags, walk toward the backyard, past the lounger, past the table and chairs, Royal Gourmet Grill, and toss the bags over the gate. On second thought, I'll just put them on a cart and push them toward the other side of the house. Just about ready to go, I have them all lined up. This part isn't difficult at all. Just open up the bags, dump them out, do it to the end. No problem. It's getting there. I'm just using my rake to spread the mulch. Not bad. Success. Looks good. Like the results. Now it's time to move to the other side. Here we go. Last phase. I have to do it by hand because I don't have enough room to spread the mulch with the rake. Just about finished. Looks good. I like what I see. Finish with the mulch. Some hard work involved. It'll all be worth it in the end. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.